In the figure below, the segments TU and TV are tangent to the circle at O. Given that OU equals 12 and that TV equals 12.6, find OT. Well, since TU and TV are both tangents to the circle at O, we know that TU is also going to be 12.6. Let me make this a little bit thicker here. Since we need to find OT, okay, we need to figure out something else here. Well, since we know that we are dealing with the tangents to the circle, we know that a tangent to the circle is going to form a 90-degree angle with the radius or with the diameter. That's kind of this whole idea around these tangent lines to these circles, is that they form this 90-degree or this right angle with the radius, with any radius. So we can write that in there. Well, now look what we have. We have a right angle. We have two sides, and we're trying to find this. And we're trying to find this other side right here. So what can we use? Well, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. So let's set this up. We should have 12 squared plus 12.6 squared, and that's going to be equal to our hypotenuse, or let's just say x squared. 12 squared gets us 144 plus 12.6 times 12.6 is 158.76 equals x squared. Add those together, and we get 302.76 is equal x squared. And then finally take the square root of that. So the square root of that. And we should get x, or let's call it OT, is equal to 17.4, and then we can say units. So once again, the tangent to the radius is always going to form a 90-degree angle. Let's do one more here. In the figure below, the segments FG and FH are tangents to the circle at center O. Given that FH equals 3 and OF equals 3.4, find OG. So now it's given us our two tangent lines are FH and FG. So we know they're going to be the same. Since FH is 3, we know that FG is also going to be 3. Remember, we said that the tangent line to the radius at that point is going to form a 90-degree angle. And now we have a leg and we have a hypotenuse. So once again, Pythagorean theorem. So let's set it up. Now we're going to be looking for, let's call this x. We're going to be looking for another leg. So x squared plus 3 squared is equal to 3.4 squared. Simplify down. X squared plus 9 is equal to 11.56. Subtract over, minus 9. X squared is equal to 2.56. Finally, take the square roots. And now I'm going to just call this OG is equal to 1.6. And we will call that units. Good.